Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to answer the Maths Method Sample Exam 2 multiple choice question number 17. We've got the equation x cubed minus 9x squared plus 15x plus w equals 0 has only one solution for x when. For the given equation to have exactly one solution means that if we graph this cubic function, it can only have one x-intercept. The constant w is going to translate the graph of x cubed minus 9x squared plus 15x up or down w units. And so using the calculator, we can graph this function and then try to see for what values of w we can translate its graph up or down so the graph will only have one x-intercept. We can change the window settings to get a better view. Looking at the graph, there's going to be two ways that we can translate it so it only has one x-intercept. We can either translate it down w units so that its local maximum point is going to be below the x-axis. Or we can translate the graph up w units so that its local minimum point is going to be above the x-axis. And so from here what we need to do is work out the y value of the local maximum and the local minimum point, because when we translate the graph up or down, this affects the y values. To work out the coordinates, we can go to menu 6, and to work out the maximum, we click on maximum and then highlight the regions. And so the maximum point is going to be at the coordinates 1, 7. For the minimum point, we do the same thing, menu 6, and we want the minimum, and we want the region, and so the minimum point is going to be at the coordinates 5 and minus 25. And so if we add w units to this function, these points are going to be transformed to become 1 and then 7 plus w, and this one's going to become 5 minus 25 plus w. Now if we want the local maximum point to be below the x-axis, so we have only one x-intercept, then this means that the y value of the maximum point, 7 plus w, has to be less than 0. And so solving for w, we're going to get w has to be less than minus 7. And if we want the minimum point to be above the x-axis, so the graph will only have one x-intercept, then this means the y-coordinate minus 25 plus w has to be larger than 0. Rearranging this, w has to be larger than 25. And so when w is less than minus 7, or when w is larger than 25, the equation will only have one solution, which is option D for this question. Now if you guys want to better prepare for your SACS and exams when it comes to transformation questions, then log into the Maths Methods Club, and from the main topics, select Functions and Graphs. And then from the subtopics, select Transformations. Here you're going to see all the transformation questions asked in the previous exams. If you want to just look at multiple choice questions, go to question type and select multiple choice. There's plenty of questions that you can try. Make sure that you go through these so you're better prepared for your SACS and exams when it comes to transformation questions. Best of luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.